Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, another delivery from eBay. This is a Marx 994 with two 7-inch tin litho cars. And this just arrived. So the grand unboxing. I found this on eBay for 12 bucks. And as usual, I was the only bidder. So let's see what we actually have here. All right. I have a bag full of styrofoam peanuts. All right, let's see what this looks like. Let me get this out of the way. All right. This is the locomotive. So, a Marx 994, about 1952 perhaps. Wow, in really nice condition. Single reduction motor. No damage to it at all. I don't know if you can see this. So, $12 for the 994 in really decent condition. All right, let's put this on the rail out of the way. And let's see what the tin litho looks like. Now, these are 7-inch tin litho cars rather than 6-inch tin litho cars. All right, merchandise service in really decent condition, no damage. This is, I'm not sure what this is. Oh, it's a gondola. All right. So, Wabash gondola in really decent condition. So, the tin litho is perfect. There's no damage to it. Let me get this out of the way. Now, one of the reasons I bought this is, let me find this box. I got this a year ago, very likely. It is the original tinder for this set. The caboose. Another gondola. And another service merchandise boxcar. Almost identical. 37954, 37956. So, I have essentially a complete set for the 994. Anyway, that's like I said, it's one of the reasons I bought this. I had these other cars, and I've never run these 7-inch tin litho cars. I don't use them for anything. I do use the tinder. But let's take this off the track. Grab this 994 and a bottle of oil. All right, put a couple of drops of oil on the armature and a couple of drops of oil on the output gear, or the output shaft for the main drive gear. All right, we'll put this on the first rail. Let me grab the camera off the tripod. Now you can get a good shot of this. So in really decent shape. All right, let's turn the power on and let's see if this will run. All right, it runs forward. Wow, really sparking on the wheels. It runs backwards. Now when you get wheel sparking, that's always an indication of dirty brushes. Always. So this is going to be interesting. So we have the Marx 994, it's original tinder. So basically I have the entire set. All right, let's put on boxcar. Second boxcar. This is going to be interesting to see this run. Like I said, I've had these other parts for probably a year, and I've never used them. Never got into the 7-inch tin litho stuff. Alright, and the caboose. So there is a Marx 994, basically with its complete original consist. $12 on eBay. Alright, it'll start in reverse now. Let's take it around and see how it runs. Marx 994, eBay, 12 bucks. Well, seems to run fine. So get those brushes cleaned up, and this is very likely going to run like new. It even has the headlight in it. That's in really, really decent shape. Well, it was definitely worth the $12. There's no doubt about that. So the 994 and two 7-inch tin litho cars. Like I said, I had the other cars for probably a year. Had them sitting over in a box. I just don't run 7-inch tin litho. But all in all, a very good score, I think. Completely original 994, no damage, and it's running. No great amount of rust on it. A couple of little spots, but nothing major that I can see. Like I said, once I get the brushes cleaned, that wheel sparking will stop. And again, whenever you get wheel sparking, that's always a sign of dirty brushes. I call it brush feedback. And you will always get wheel sparking if the brushes or the armature are dirty. Anyway, probably coated with oxide. It hasn't been sitting for years, but it's definitely been sitting. There we go. So a few more drops of oil, clean those brushes, let this thing run, and this is going to run just like new, guaranteed. There's 30% power. Let's take it up to 50%. All right, there's 50% power. Well, too fast. So, as I said, plenty of power, and this is going to run just fine. So all I've got to do is get it cleaned up, clean the brushes, and this is going to be a great addition to the collection. A Marx 994, two 7-inch tin litho cars for 12 bucks on eBay, and I was the only bidder. Difficult to understand that. Anyway, I just wanted to do a grand unboxing video. Like I said, I haven't run these tin litho cars in the year that I've had them. So I figured it was a sign, since I had the additional cars, why not buy this set and put it all together? It gives me basically a complete set. I'm not exactly sure what came with it. Very likely 4 cars. But for 12 bucks, I could not pass it up. As you can see, it makes a fairly decent looking consist. So that's running very well, and I haven't done anything to it yet. So, all in all, I'm pleased with it. 12 bucks on eBay, and I was the only bidder. That's running just perfectly. And you notice the wheel sparking has stopped. So again, whenever you see wheel sparking, it's always the brushes. It's not anything else. It's dirty brushes, more than likely a dirty brush and dirty armature. Oh, this is running just absolutely perfectly. So far I've done nothing but add 3 drops of oil. Well, no doubt it was worth what I paid for it. An original Marx 994, circa 1950, 1952, something like that. So this thing is, what, 67 years old? Something like that. And basically have the complete set. So we have the caboose, 2 Wabash gondolas, 2 service merchandise boxcars, 1 with operating door, the original tender, and of course the Marx 994. In very good condition. Once this is cleaned up, this is going to look just fine. An original Marx 994, circa 1950, 1952, something like that. eBay, 12 bucks. Really difficult to beat that. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video. I'm going to be running this the rest of the day, obviously. So I'll pull this motor out of here, get it cleaned up, clean the brushes, clean the armature, get it lubed and tuned, get it wiped down, oil some wheels, and this is going to be a really great original 7-inch tin litho consist. So I just wanted to do a video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.